very misty, foggy day. It's a perfect day for a GPS drone like the Mavic Mini. So when it's a day like this, you know, you cannot fly something like a DJI Tello. That is a vision-based drone. But this one, like the Mavic 1 or the Mini 2 or, you know, all the Mavic series, it's a GPS drone, so it doesn't matter because he actually uses the satellite connection. So let's give it a shot. Let's fly it. As you see, very nice panorama. So there we go. And let's fly it. Wow, it's really foggy up there. But let's see, now this is 20 meters above. It's okay, one thing I'm noticing is that the signal is way weaker than usual. And I believe the reason is that the fog is kind of conductive, so it attenuates the signal quite a lot. It's 84 meter, losing signal already. I mean, you can look at the screen, it's literally just fog, so not a lot in my shot. So let's bring it down. Unfortunately, you know, we cannot go above 100 meter. So let's bring it down.